I've just discovered a way to turn a verbal yes into a signed contract in under 5 minutes before the client's excitement starts to wane. This could well be the quickest way to close a high value deal I've ever come across. And you don't need a solicitor or a designer. I'm inside the AI proposal generator now. And this is where things really get powerful. I'm going to type in a very specific prompt. High stakes sales proposal for a digital marketing agency. Include an executive summary, a detailed project scope, and a transformation section that clearly explains the before and after impact for the client. Now I'll click Generate. Just look at that. In seconds, it's created a structured, persuasive proposal. It's not just well formatted, it's psychologically structured as well. It opens strongly, frames a problem, provides a solution, and establishes authority. So now I'm going to make this look a bit more premium. So with the brand kit, I'm going to use a company that pretty much everyone knows, and that's Reddit. So I just typed it in and reddit.com comes up, and it selects all the logos and the colors. So all I need to do is just click confirm, and you'll see it applying the logos and colors straight away. So all I need to do is just click apply to all pages. And now it doesn't look like a template, does it? It looks like a bespoke £10,000 agency deliverable. Now this is where we really highlight the value on this page. So I'm just going to select this text and simply click Improve Text. See how that sharpens the value proposition? It strengthens the language without me having to rewrite everything by hand. So this is Vengage. It's essentially a powerhouse of over 100 free AI-powered design tools, and it's built specifically for business owners and creators who aren't professional designers. Most people don't struggle with ideas. They struggle with making things look polished. Vengage gets rid of that. It removes that friction. And the thing is, you've got tools for infographics, brochures, reports, presentations, sales proposals, contracts. Everything's built around smart suggestions and unlimited AI power. You can register for free and instantly unlock access to over 40 AI generators. So, instead of hiring designers or struggling with formatting, you're guided through the process. Now, here's the clincher. When the client says yes, you don't want to wait 3 days to draft a contract. So I'm going to switch to the AI contract generator. So all I'm going to do is type in service agreement contract for a digital marketing project. Include payment terms, intellectual property rights, confidentiality clause, and a termination clause. And then I'm just going to click Generate, and instantly it structures the contract properly. It covers payment terms, IP rights, termination clause, everything is in place. So now I'm just going to head over to the Generate icon area and simply request, a professional security shield icon. And this visually reinforces the privacy section and makes the contract easier to scan through. It's small details like this that elevate the document. So now I'm going to do something most people skip. I'm clicking on File and then Accessibility Check. This is a pro-level move, right? The system scans for color, contrast, font size and readability issues. So it's the sort of thing where if it flags a font size, I just click Fix and it'll instantly adjust. It means that every stakeholder, whether on desktop, mobile, or with accessibility needs, can read this clearly. Now, I'm going to export this as a PDF and literally in minutes. I've built a persuasive proposal and a legally structured contract ready to send and sign. There's no design team, no formatting stress, just smart AI tools working together. Vengage is constantly evolving, with new AI design generators added every single week, so the toolkit keeps expanding and improving over time. It also prioritizes accessible design following WCAG guidelines, which means your visuals are inclusive and usable by a wider audience right from the start. And even if you have zero design experience, the templates automatically adapt to your style, helping you create professional, on-brand documents without the usual learning curve. If you want to close deals faster and stop wrestling with documents, click the link in the description to sign up for Vengage. Use code REVIEW50 to get 50% off your annual premium or business plan right now.